Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We are into number 3 of a 12-part series on PPE, and part 3 is section 3, or video 3 is eye protection. That's what we'll be talking about in today's video. Well, let's go ahead and get started with video. Take a moment and imagine your next day without your eyesight. No equipment operation, no reading plans, no driving, no watching a sunrise, no seeing your spouse, no seeing your children, no seeing your grandchildren. Suddenly, those safety glasses don't seem quite so inconvenient. I've said it for years. If you can't see, you can't work. And today we're talking about protecting one of the most valuable tools you'll ever bring to a job site, your eyes. Here's the reality of eye injuries. Construction sites are full of hazards that threaten eyesight every day. Grinding, cutting, drilling, sawing, chipping, welding, pressure washing, compressed air, dust, chemicals, flying debris. And here's the frightening part. Many eye injuries happen so fast a worker never sees the hazard coming. One spark, one shard, one wire strand, one piece of rust, one splash, 1 second. That's all it takes. Your eyes were never designed for construction. Human eyes are amazing, but they were never designed to withstand metal fragments, concrete dust, wood chips, chemical splashes, grinding sparks, pressurized debris. Yet workers expose them to these hazards every single day. Without protection, the eye has very little defense. Here are some common excuses, and we've heard them all. They keep fogging up. They're scratched. I'm only making one cut. I'll put them on in a minute. They're in the truck. It'll only take a second. The problem? Most serious eye injuries happen during that 1 second. Hazards don't wait for you to put your glasses on. And let's talk about some real consequences. An eye injury isn't always total blindness. Sometimes it's partial vision loss, a detached retina, corneal damage, infection, chronic pain, permanent sensitivity to light. Even a minor injury can affect your driving, reading, operating equipment, depth perception, and daily life for the rest of your life. And sometimes it's more than safety glasses. Proper eye protection depends on the task. Sometimes safety glasses are enough. Sometimes you need goggles, face shields, welding hoods, shaded lenses, chemical splash protection. The right protection for the hazard. Inspection matters. Inspect for scratched lenses, broken frames, loose side shields, damaged straps, dirty lenses. Protection only works when it's in good condition. If you can't see through your safety glasses, you're less likely to wear them. Take care of them. Replace them when necessary. In closing, your eyes help you earn a living. They help you enjoy life. They help you see the people you love. They help you experience the world around you. And once vision is lost, there may be no way to fully get it back. So wear your eye protection. Wear the right protection. Wear it every time. not because it's required, because your sight is worth protecting. Because if you can't see, you can't work. All right, stay safe, stay sharp, and stay on time. All right, everybody, thanks for stopping by, and thanks for watching. Make sure that you give me the thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to the channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature and you'll be notified of new releases. Make sure you share this video with associates and coworkers and comment on the content of this video. And until we see each other again, as always, look out for yourself because you're number one. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. And most important of all, have a grateful day, and I'll see you next time. Safety is all on you. It's all on you, man.